Good morning, YouTube. As y'all can see, it is 7:54. We are indeed late for work. So, obviously we in a Mustang. So y'all know what's gonna happen. We gonna get to work on time. But I got a little POV video for y'all this morning. Hope everybody doing good. For all y'all that work early morning shifts, salute. I don't know how y'all do it, because I'm late every day, but that's okay. Probably take the street. I don't know. Do I want to take the street? Last time I was super late. Kind of early. I could take the street. I'll take the street for y'all boys. Roll the windows down. I'm gonna open the valve now that I'm leaving the little neighborhood. I ain't gotta worry about people crying and shit. I also got the 360 cam plugged up for y'all too, so y'all can get a little outside view. Car's still a little cold, so I'm gonna take it light for a little minute. Oh my God, it's so cold. Bro, this car hates when it's cold. I don't know why, but maybe that's just any fucking car, but they all hate when it's fucking cold. I don't know what the fuck the problem is, but it's fine. I like these little back roads right here. I wish the car was warmer, but you know what? Fuck it. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a little better view. Downshifts for y'all boys. Chill. Can I go? Oh yeah, I could go. Ooh, what the fuck is that? I hope y'all can fucking see. Cause last time I was recording the fucking steering wheel, but hopefully it's a little better this time. I don't fucking know. I can't fucking see. Got my fingers all in the way and shit. As y'all can see. Can y'all see? Yep. I got the little camera mounted. Ain't nobody really on the roads. What time is it? 7:58. Ain't no birds and shit out. Last time I got lucky with the lights, so hopefully I get lucky again. I don't know. Let me see what the temp's looking like. The car warming up. It could be better. Look at that miles per gallon. That shit is awful, bruh. Shit is terrible. 9.8. That shit is cap. It's only 9.8 because I only go to work and back home. That's it. I don't do no highway driving. It take me like 10 minutes to get to work, so. I'm hungry as a bitch. Please don't pull out in front of me, sir. You all on your phone and shit. I want to get y'all a pool, but I'm gonna spend, like 100% gonna spend. It's too fucking cold outside. But you know, you only live once. Let me give y'all a little pool right quick from 50. God, it's so cold, bro. My car hooked though. It's actually pretty warm this morning. It's 44. I'm not gonna lie, I walked outside, I almost took my coat off. It felt so good. If y'all been in Virginia, bro, y'all know it been like fucking 2 degrees every morning, bro. Shit is ass. Hate that shit, bro. But it's warming up, so we back to content, man. Back to content. I'm gonna try and be more consistent. I don't know why I just be scared to post videos, but I just gotta find my own lane. I just be wanting to post the right shit for y'all. I don't just want to post anything, but you know, posting something that's decent is better than not posting nothing at all. Cause I'm a big procrastinator. I don't fucking know why, but we ball. God damn. I'm not even close to that fucking car. Look how far away it is. Bro, the downshifts on this car sound fucking insane. Okay, little pops. Hopefully we could get up to the light. There's nobody there, so we should be able to get up to the light. Last time, I was stuck at the light. I missed like 2 lights for no reason, because it was hella cars. Yeah, we good. Get over. Fuck out the way, gang. Another pop for them boys. Still a little nervous. I don't know why. I hate this recording shit, bro. I think this shit is cringe. But somebody might like it, you know? If y'all out there and y'all procrastinators like me, bro, I don't know. Just do that shit, bro. Okay, look. Whatever the fuck that shit was, it looked like an Integra to me. Slow and low. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Something else. Bike, old head on the bike. Fuck around and hit his ass off that shit. What's wrong with dude ass? It's too early to be riding a fucking bike with American flag on it. Oh, nah. He probably take that shit off. Go, nigga. In this fucking Sonata. God damn, what the fuck was that? I got enough room now, so I'm gonna give y'all boys a pull. I'm gonna spend 100%. Oh, shit. That's too cold, bruh. The car just wanna go sideways, bruh. That's all it wanna do. That's all this car like to do. Sideways. Especially when it's cold outside, but for some reason with my car, bruh, it only wants to go left. That's it. It never goes right. Fat ass pothole, get out the way. All we making is like golden. Whew. Alright, y'all, 8:03. We made it on time. Made it on time to fucking work, bruh. Thank God. Thank God for work. Facts. If y'all ain't got no job, get y'all a job. That staying at home shit is ass. Ain't shit at home anyway. Fuck. Ain't no bitch gonna make you no money, get your ass up. Fuck wrong with y'all? Unless your bitch, you know what I'm saying, got that OnlyFans. Fuck, nigga. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Quick little video. I'm gonna give y'all a word of the day. And everybody use it in a sentence. Get the fuck up and get some money. Use that in a sentence. Facts. But besides that, thank you everybody for tuning in. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.